can do really cool things like ride roller coasters, and it doesn't even feel like research while you're doing it.
We looked at the physics of the different types of roller coasters, so how you're affected on like the big drops or like the ones that you spin around and you're stuck to the wall. So we looked at the different like forces and stuff like that and how they affected your body, and it was pretty interesting.
The thing that I learned the most about was how simple some of the physics forces are and that anyone can really use it, because that wasn't my major when I came in. I was originally just computer science, and then after learning how simple it really was and there's a sort of beauty to it, I actually ended up adding that to my major, so I'm now a double major. So that was something that I learned about myself was, hey, I can actually do this.
One of the big things for me was like all the different people you got to know and how easy it was to adjust to campus, because one of the big things to be scared of coming in as a freshman is like, oh, how is this going to be different from high school and everything? And we're here for 3 weeks and you get to know the 100 other kids here, so you get that community feeling of Monmouth right away, and it was just pretty awesome. Good adjustment period.
You get to know the campus and the people and the professors while you're already here at Monmouth. And so it just makes the transition that much more easier. It's not like you're immediately going from home to college and then bam, classes start. You have like a nice sort of leeway period in between.
This has a ton of benefits, so why not come do it?